Hello, welcome back to Footwear Making class. And last module we discussed about the making process of slippers, and today this module we discuss footwear productions, which is majorly on sandals. And Sandals are one of the most versatile and widely worn category of footwear, combining comfort, breathability, and style. And this module builds on the foundational skills from previous module, measurements, pattern drafting, cutting, and also joining to the finishing aspect. And we will now explore specialized technique required for constructing both male and female sandals. And by the end of this module, you will be able to apply design principle and construction methods to be able to create high quality, durable, and stylish sandals. This is actually what we come up in the class, and we'll do that one after the other. Let's look at the five design principle for sandal. Design principle for sandals. Design is the foundation of any successful sandal, and the five principles include the functionality, and the sandal must provide comfort, safety, traction, and durability for its intended use. The next principle is the aesthetic and style, which talks about visual appeal through color, strap configuration, and embellishment must balance creativity with practicality. We also have the ergonomic. Um, the design must align with the natural contours of the foot, providing arc support and also proper strap positioning to avoid pressure points. And another is the material consideration as a principle, and this is actually the choice of material in terms of leather, fabrics, rubber, foam must complement the intended function and style. And the last is the practicality and cost, which talks about the design must be feasible to produce and affordable for the target market. Now looking at the pattern development for sandal, pattern development creates the template that guides cutting and assembly. Accuracy here is critical for fit and symmetry, and key measurements needed include the foot length, which deals with the heels to longest toe. And we also have the foot width, which deals with which is across the ball of the foot. We also have the instep circumference, and it is for proper strap placement. And the three main patterns that is necessary for the development of sandal include insole pattern, which represents the surface where the foot rests. It is drafted to match the foot length, width, and also the contour. Another is the outsole pattern, which is slightly larger than the insole to protect the edges and also provide durability. The last is the upper or strap pattern, and for this, it's drafted based on the design, including strap length, width, number of strap, and also their placement points. Looking at the hopper construction technique, the hopper of the sandal secures the foot and also provides aesthetic appeal. And the components of the hopper straps include our upper parts include the straps of vamp. This is actually the main part that holds the sandal to the foot. We also have the lining, which is a soft layer, leather or fabric against the skin for comfort. And we also have the padding, which is an added material in some designs for extra comfort and shape. And we have key techniques to include cutting and shaping, and this deals with precise cutting following patterns, paying attention to material grain. We also have the edge finishing, which deals with the raw edges are beveled, folded, and also stitched to prevent fraying and create a clean look. Leather edges are often burnished. Um, the reinforcement is another technique, which is stress points like strap attachment area are reinforced with extra layers or stitching. And the last is the attachment preparation, which is the highlights, the buckles or velcro may be added for adjustability. Looking at the sole preparation and the types, the sole is the foundation of the sander, providing support and traction. And common types of sole include the rubber sole, and it is known for durability, flexibility, and slip resistance. And it's ideal for outdoor sandals. We also have the foam or EVA sole, and this is actually known for lightweight and cushioning, and it's common in casual and sports sandals. Another is the leather sole, which is a premium and aesthetically pleasing, often used in formal or fashion sandals. And looking at the preparation step of sole, the first is the cutting. That is, you cut according to the outsole pattern. The next is shaping and sanding, which is that you trim and sand edges to remove roughness. And then you add contours for arc support if needed. And the last is surface preparation, where you clean and lightly ruffling the bonding surface to ensure strong adhesive adhesions. Then attaching the sole, we've talked about preparation of the sole, and now in attaching the sole, proper attachment is crucial for the sandal's durability and performance. And method of attaching include the adhesive bonding, that is the application of glue evenly to both the insole and the sole surfaces, and you press firmly to ensure full contact. This is the most common method. The next, another is the stitching method, and this is in high quality sandals. Stitching along the edge reinforces the bond between the upper and the sole, adding significant durability. And the last method is pressing and curing, which is after application, pressure using a press or by hand. Ensure the adhesive sets properly. Some adhesive require time to cure for maximum strength. So you need to leave such an adhesive, you need to leave it for a number of time, for a period of time, so that you'll be able to, it will be able to glue together. Looking at the stitching technique, stitching provides both structural integrity and decorative details. Hand stitching, the first one is hand stitching, and it offers precision and is ideal for intricate design, high-end sandals, and also repair. It's common. The common stitches include running stitches and back stitch, and we have the machine stitching also, which is used for efficiency and uniformity, especially in medium to large scale production. An industrial machine can easily handle thick materials like leather. And the last technique is the edge stitching. It's actually a crucial technique that securely attach the hopper to the sole along the perimeter, providing a neat, durable finish. Let's look at the art of finishing. Um, final step. Finishing is final step that transforms a functional assembly into a refined professional product, and it serves six key purposes. The first one is enhancing durability, ensuring comfort, promoting safety, enhancing professional appearance, increasing of customer satisfaction, and also adding to value. These are the key purposes of finishing, where durability is being enhanced, and then for comfort, it removes rough edges, uneven seam, and shape surface that could irritate the foot. For safety, it removes protruding nails or tracks, and ensure also provides adequate traction. For enhancing of professional appearance, it eliminates glue stain, scratches, and also tool mark for clean, polished look. And it's also visible quality and attach attention to details, build trust in the maker of um, or the brand. In making male sandal are typically designed for simplicity, durability, and comfort, making them an excellent project for skill development. And the first thing we need to look at is the design focus. And this deals with simplicity in strap design, single or multiple stud straps. The next is wider sole to accommodate broader feet, and as per the functionality, functionality should be for daily wear or outdoor activities. And the construction step, we talk about the pattern. The pattern includes insole, outsole, and strap pattern, drafted with durability in mind. And the materials include the rubber or EVA sole, leather or durable fabrics for straps. And for assembling, straps attached to the insole with adhesive and stitching, and the outsole bonded on and optionally stitched. And for the finishing aspect, you trim edges, burnish leather, and also inspect for a clean, functional finish. And for the female sandal often emphasizes aesthetic, style, and detail design while maintaining comfort, just like the slippers also. And for the design focus, it actually focus on aesthetics, that is narrow for the aesthetics. And there will be need for narrower sole, multiple or decorative strap, or open toe design. And the style includes flat, wedge, or block heels depending on fashion trend. And as per comfort, padding and proper strap placement are essential for female. And for the construction, for pattern, it includes insole, often contoured and narrower, and also strap can be intricate or multi-part. For material, there is need for soft leather, satin fabrics for upper, and decorative elements like bead and embroidery. And for the assembly, the symmetry is critical. Straps are attached carefully, decorative elements added, and for finishing, it's actually a meticulous trimming. There is need for a meticulous trimming, varnishing, and also polishing to achieve a refined, stylish appearance. Talking about the step in constructing of sandal, um, we talk about measuring and design, which we've talked about. We talk about drafting of pattern, cutting of components like cutting of insole and outsole from rubber, cutting of straps for leather, and also the preparation, which is clean and lighting, roughing surface for adhesive. And the next is assembling upper, which is to attach the strap to the insole using strong adhesive or stitching. And the next is attach sole, and that is apply adhesive to the insole and also press firmly and also allow to cure. And the last one is finish, which is to trim any excess material, burnish straps, edge, and also inspect the final sander. If we have to compare male and female sandal construction, as per the design focus, the male is more on simplicity, durability, function, while the female is more of the aesthetics, style, and detail. For the strap, for the male, it's single parallel study strap, and for the female, it's multiple crisscross decorative strap. And for the sole, it's actually a wider durable rubber, uh, and it's narrow and can include wedge or block heel. For material, for the male, it's leather durable fabrics, while for female, it's soft leather, satin decorative elements. And as per the embellishment, it is minimal or none for male sandal, and for female sandal, beads, embroidery, and its metallic accents are important or can be seen in it. What are the skills that you've been able to develop from this? You've been able to apply design principle. You've also been able to advance pattern development. You, the module has helped in upper construction, that is building secure comfortable strap system with proper edge finishing, and then sole preparation and attachment, and also professional finishing, and lastly, problem solving, where you'll be able to address challenges in symmetry, strap placement, and also adhesive bond. In conclusion, the module has guided you through the complete process of sander production, from initial design concept to the final finishing touches. You have learned to apply 5 key design process principle to create footwear that is not only functional and durable but also aesthetically pleasing. By mastering pattern of development, upper construction, sole attachment, and finishing techniques, you have built upon your foundation from slippers to create more complex and stylish footwear. Whether constructing the simple, durability of male sander or the detailed elegance of female sander, you have developed skills that are directly transferable to even more advanced footwear projects. And this module represents a significant step forward in your journey as a footwear maker, and equipping you with the confidence to design and also to craft high quality sander. Thank you.